Hi.
Hi, buddy. Simon, where are
hey,
we?
Haley. Let me figure it out.
Look at, here's the map. Where are we?
Bali Bird Park.
Bali Bird Park. Hi, buddy. Hello. Hi.
Let's go meet the birds, Haley.
Down and up.
Oh,
Yes,
she got a
like this.
professional
Look at the
photographer
gray,
out here.
green one.
Hello. Oh, look at your eyes.
Good. And look at the camera first, please. Look at me. 1, 2, 3. Try again. One more.
Good kisses. I won't kiss you. You look like you're scared.
This is a biting.
Ah, yeah.
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much.
I had a family friend and they had this bird named Pebbles, but look at you. Hi. This is a pink cockatoo. Pink crested cockatoo. Oh. Oh. Do you need some pets? Do you need some scratches? Oh, you need scratches? Oh, look at his face.
Oh, you like that. Scratch, scratch.
Scratch, scratch. Oh, yeah. Scratch, scratch. Oh, good birdie. Good birdie. Oh, Simon, he loves it so much. Hello. They look like extra cute flamingo seagulls if they had a baby. Hello. Oh my god, there's a crab in here. What in the hell is that? I've never seen anything like that in my life.
He's huge.
He looks like a dinosaur. This guy looks like a baby toucan.
What the heck?
Oh. He's so cute. Oh,
Cool looking dude. What is it?
It's like a toucanette. Like it's a small toucan.
Oh. From New Guinea.
I was correct.
He's funny.
He's cute. They were just doing it so deep, and then when I started, they started going high pitch.
Yeah.
He was.
Haley, what are these pink garbage chickens doing here?
They're really pretty. Look
They're
at there's
really
one on a
pretty.
tree.
Oh, it is an ibis.
Oh my gosh! Good job, Simon. High five.
But they're not in Australia.
Oh,
Yeah,
that's super cool.
I knew it.
And ibis just did it with a flamingo.
Yeah. Ibis flamingo.
Whoa! You go say hi. Are you scared?
Looks a little nervous of you, Haley.
Oh, it's a girl. Oh, she's scared.
Hi, buddy. Yeah. He doesn't like it.
They aren't the Sydney cockatoos.
Cut that tree. They got such big beaks. What's up, buddy? Oh.
Hello. Hello. Can I touch you? No.
Don't like that one.
Hello. Don't get your nose too close. He'll take your eye out, Simon. Try petting him.
I think he wants pets.
Nope. What? He has what's that guy?
He's got
Steve Fury haircut.
What the heck is this thing?
Scratch, scratch. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Good birdie. Good birdie. Scratch, scratch.
Trying to come up?
Simon, don't look.
I'm trying to see.
Okay. Walk. Hey. Close your eyes.
I'm looking. I'm looking at nothing.
Close your eyes. Okay, open. Actually, don't open yet. Okay, look. Now look.
Oh, that's a big boy. Do you think I can feed him?
He's so big. I wonder what they taste like. You think they taste like a turkey?
I don't think you're supposed to say that. Oh my god, Haley, don't look.
Ow! Why'd you just hit me?
Okay, now look.
Don't look. What? The flamingos? I've seen flamingos before.
So? I've seen a pelican before.
Look, he's coming. What if that thing bites me in the ass? Oh wait. I don't like the way he's looking at me.
Oh, he's trying to hang out. That was a cool leaf that you got there. What are you doing over here, dude? Hey, what? Why are you hiding behind a pole? Shaking.
Is that one okay?
Yeah, he's just having a nap. He had a bit of a bender last night.
It's flamingo. I mean, it's Pelican Island.
Pelican Island. No way. Look at these things.
What?
Oh, look at these things.
They look like big cranes.
They look like big cranes. Oh,
Oh my god, ew.
He looks a little raggedy.
Oh, it's a stork. That's why he's like bald and has
Merida
look like...
stork. Oh, did you just sneeze? Bless you.
Oh! How pretty. Don't you know, he looks like the old lady on the vampire or witches when she like turns into a witch and has like is bald with like hair.
Mm-hmm. No. He looks like he wouldn't be my friend, probably. Crazy.
Oh, also we got tattoos.
Oh wow. That's nice. Yeah. It got so loud all of a sudden. What?
Look at this guy. Simon, you see him?
Oh, big guy.
Oh my god, I got shit on.
Yeah. They say it's good luck.
Shit. That wasn't shit. Is it on my hat?
Nope.
Apparently the most beautiful living thing on earth.
Of paradise, the male are extremely ornate and have long hair. Meanwhile, the female has non-colored plumage and doesn't have long hair. Look at that, he's so beautiful.
Wow.
Nadia ini adalah jenis burung cendrawasih Mary. Haley, so my name is Haley. Yes, face it that way and put your hand like this so you will find the land on your hand. Please stay still. And now let's see how close are you without volunteer. Have a look. Good job, you. The primary food of this bird.
I got a new birdie friend. I got the food on my head. Mmm. Yummy. Uh-oh. Okay, he's yelling at us.
You're so pretty. You don't want them? What do you want?
Snag that from you.
Yeah, it's coming.
Whoa!
Hello. Your feathers are really dirty. I'm not trying to chase you. I just need to go this way. Let me pass.
And how to feed them? You can just throw it like this.
Oh.
Alright.
That was funny. And you. Oh my
Ayaw
goodness.
mo ito feeding?
It's a war.
Oh, there's a baby one.
Oh, there.
Just throw it. Alright.
Oh. Oh, you don't like that.
Nemo.
And look at the light one. This is a baby. Baby pelican, already 6 months right now.
Oh my
6
goodness.
months? Okay, I'll try to get him one.
Okay.
Yay!
Good job, baby.
Woohoo! And
Pino.
oh,
Yes.
it's so much fun.
The baby! Wait, I'll try to get the female.
Female.
Which one?
The female has smaller body. For example, that one's female, female, female.
Little one.
Female and female. Okay, good catch.
Yoo-hoo!
And you! Oh! Simon, there's a peacock up there.
What are you doing? Hey, dude.
I want one of your feathers. Oh, they cut all the peacock's feathers.
Yep.
Why did they do that?
So they're not as pretty.
Wait, why did they cut all the feathers?
I don't know.
There's only one circle in there, I see.
Ah.
That's sad.
Okay, you can come here. Okay, don't be shy. Alright, who's coming already? 3, 2, and 1. Okay, everyone, so you can hear that he has a loud voice. He has a loud voice to communicate among each other.
You having fun?
So much.
Me too. I just held a parrot. A macaw.
Macaw, macaw.
Stand, 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 stand.
Hey. Peekaboo. 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 He's trying to eat my hat. Oh. That's funny.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? Silly birdie.
Oh, so this is the little black cormorant that come from Indonesia, New Zealand, and also Australia. It is migratory bird, so they stay around the river and around the sea. Actually, we feed them here twice a day in the morning catching it. Who wants to go first?
He got it out of my hand.
Be careful your hand because the beak is very sharp. No, no. It's so smart. Give you another one.
species, they have two skills. They can fly like a bird and they also can diving under the water until 20 meters at
Oh,
speed
wow.
up to 9 kilometers per hour. Alright. Which one, the young and the adult, is very easy to know. You can see from the cover and from the eyes. The brown color is the young one and the black one is the adult one.
What's the
And-
blue one?
Yeah, it means the adult one, they have a blue eyes, while the young one, they have brown eyes, or black eyes, like this.
Throw some in the water.
Right?
Oh no, he didn't get it.
Try again.
There you go. There you go. I like your blue eyes.
Just wow. You're a bird trainer now.
And he's off.
Well, I got pooped on another time by one of those birds. Who's this guy? I don't know.
This is my favorite. I know we're at a bird place, but it's a Komodo dragon here. Where are you? Holy smokes.
Buddy. Oh. Hello, Mrs. Kipling.
That thing
Hello.
would eat your leg off.
They look so friendly.
They do, until they're charging at you with their mouth open, salivating.
Many kite catch their prey while flying. This kite is very similar feature to the Singaporean Bali though, but they were born here in Bali. Seems like the other raptors. The
Whoa.
brown mini kite has an excellent gift. Just look at your girlfriend right there. Keep smile. Let's see together how fast the brown mini kite still free from the trees. Coming.
Oh.
Let's see that. I'm ready. Yep. Good catch. Alright. Peter and Matcha is the best one. Where are they?
Okay, close our romantic pose. Good. Ay, yun na. Ha? Nasabot ka.
Are you coming on my head?
Hey, look at it.